Hey all, welcome to our channel. This is Rakesh. So today we discuss topic about that how to redirect from the 301 to 302 redirection. What is mean by redirection? The mainly we can know understanding about that how we can traffic will be divert one page to another page, one website to another website. So this all method we can understanding from the particular website call. So first of all, if you're selecting any kind of websites, suppose this is my website. My website will be under maintenance or something else. How we can redirect from one website to blogger, one website to YouTube channel, how we can redirect? That is called, we can using two methods. In the first method, I'll discuss about the using cPanel. If you go to the cPanel, there is the domain option here. There is name is called redirect, or the name is called redirect. Here, in my complete website, moving to other website. What is the reason? Suppose my website will be under maintenance, my website will be some other issues. I have to rectify purpose. I don't lose my traffic. That is the purpose. What are the content of my website is there? I can read it to the other website. So here we can use this option name is called go to cPanel. There is a two option. There is a permanent redirection. Second will be temporary redirection. Now I'm selecting only will be temporary redirection. Select your domain name. So read it to which website? If anybody open this website, now same web link is open. But later, after redirection, they can move to my blog option where redirect to my complete website, redirect to which one? Blogger website. There is a condition will be three condition. They will give condition with a double double dot, with or without double double dot. Always using with or without double double dot, we can redirect from the one website to another website. Add it. Later, we can go to refresh it. The automatic refresh for blogger. Why? Sir, here will be, we are open this website will be here. Now we can open for the same URL. Just I may click for enter. But they redirect to the blogger option. The reason is called in a cPanel, in a total website, we can redirect to the website to blogger option. So here one more website I'm selecting here. In this ioacademyhyderabad.com, but they redirect to the ioacademy.in. So these all methods people are mainly focused about the in this particular content. So any kind of method we will be use. First of all, there is the option name is called cPanel. There is a name is called redirect. One is called 301. Second will be 302 redirection. 301 is a permanent. 302 is a temporary. First one is a permanent always. Second one is a temporary. So any edit option is available. No edit option available. If it is not required, click for delete and remove the redirect back. So here, when clicking this website, they open by the in this particular website option. So redirection will be removed by the particular content. So redirection will be two options. One is called permanent 301. Second will be temporary redirection for particular website. So this is a condition we can follow to each and every website to redirect one website to another website, permanent and temporary purpose. If anybody facing issues on cPanel redirection, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.